Hi everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import your product review from Amazon to your Shopify. So this is for you who create, let's say, an Amazon affiliate store with Shopify, and let's say that you would like to also import not just the listing, but the review as well. So the first thing you will want to do is you're going to want to go to your product list and take a look at what product have you put from Amazon to your Shopify store. So I have these three products over here, and if I click on it, let's say that I want to see this on my store. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my store real quick. Okay, let's visit the store. And if I open, let's say, my product, the only thing that I got is just the product description, the pictures, etc. I don't really have a review for this product. And adding review to your product is going to increase customers' trust in you, because with the review, they're going to be able to know what they expect when they got the product, because they're going to be able to see testimonies from other people who have bought that specific product. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go to Amazon, and we're going to want to try to find the exact product that we've listed on our Shopify store. So what I like to do actually is I would like to copy the entire title of my product, so it's going to make it easier for me to find that exact product. Because even when I insert the exact title, there's still a lot of other results that are coming in, and it's going to be hard for me to choose on which one actually is the product that I'm looking for. So make sure that you copy and paste the entire product, so it's going to make it easier for you to find your product on Amazon. So I think it's this one, the product that I'm searching for. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And if I scroll all the way down, I'm going to be able to find the reviews on this. So you can see that it has 4.5 star review and it has 170 ratings. And if I click on the arrow besides the star, I'm going to be able to see how many people give 5 star, how many people give 4 star, 3 stars, 2 stars, etc. And if I want to see the customer's review, I just have to click on this see customer's review. And now I can see what the customers are saying about that product. There are some people who gives a review with pictures, there are who just give some stars and some wordings. And like this one, she says that it has no tarnish at all. This one says beautiful, so pretty, very cute necklace, etc., etc. When it comes to importing the product review, what we're going to do is we will want to obviously insert the one that has 5 star, but I also like to insert one or two that gives 4 or 3 star, just so that the review are going to look more genuine. Now, to import this review to our Shopify store, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our dashboard. We're going to go back to our dashboard, and we actually want to search for an app. So an app that you will want to try to find is Amazon review. Go ahead and search it on Shopify App Store. And you're going to get some result when you're searching for Amazon review. Obviously, you will want to try to use an app that has free plan available as well as have high ratings. And there are some who actually have good ratings, but this one is the one that I'm going to use for today. So the name of this application is Easy Amazon Reviews Importer. I'm going to go ahead and install it to my Shopify store. All right, after the application is successfully installed, this is what you're going to see. Your product lists are going to appear, and what you're going to do is you're going to want to click on the Amazon. You're going to want to copy the link from your Amazon and put it into your Amazon review application. And you can choose whether you want to put all of the stars or just some of them. I'm going to choose only to add, let's say, 5, 4, and 3. And then you can choose whether you want to put the review that has pictures or not. And depends on the plans that you're choosing with this application, the reviews that we can import to our product are going to be limited. And I'm going to show you their plans. And these are the plans. So what I'm using right now is the free plan, but they also offer you paid plan as well as pro plan. And here are the prices of each plan as well as the benefit of each plans. With the free plan, what we got is we're going to get country flag options, we're going to get image, date, name options, detail rate option, font size option, we're going to get one template, and we can also get 20 reviews per product. Meanwhile, with the paid plan, you're going to get 350 reviews, and with the pro plan, you can get up to 600 review. So feel free to choose on whichever plan you would feel is the most suitable for you. I'm just going to continue and use the free one. Now, since I'm using the free one, I can only import up to 20 reviews. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Once we fill in all of the necessary data, we're going to want to click on Import Amazon Review. And here what it looks like once all of the review is transferred into our Shopify account. You can actually choose to delete some review if you feel like they're unnecessary. You can delete it or you can also edit it. I'm just going to leave it as it is. And let's take a look at how it will look like on our store. So you can see now in our store, we got this review sections, and it also shows the amount of people who give 5-star, 4-star, and 3 stars. And overall, we got the total of 4.2. It looks different with the one on the Amazon because on the Amazon it says that it is 4.5, and it's because we did not integrate or we did not put every single review into our website because I'm using the free plan, so it's limited, but I think this also helps quite a lot. And that's basically it. That is how you can import your review from Amazon.com to your Shopify store. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.